Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to talk to you guys about what I've been working on recently. I've been making a ton of polymer clay earrings. Aren't these so cute? And I feel like I'm honestly healing my inner child by making these. I remember back in the day, polymer clay used to be a lot more popular. I feel like there were YouTube videos and tutorials everywhere about it. I would make all kinds of these polymer clay charms and jewelry, and I thought it might be nice to go back to doing that. So I've been making all kinds of earrings. Actually really easy to do. You guys hear that train? I live by a train. It was very loud. Okay, so anyways, they're really easy to make. I'm using they're basically like little baby cookie cutters to cut out the shapes I want. I've been mixing colors. I've been working with different patterns, different ideas. I guess like trying to match a pair of earrings to an outfit that I like. So that's been really exciting. Obviously I made these 3 flowers to go with this blue flower dress, and I just love how dangly they are. I'm gonna share some footage of me making them, more about the process, what I really like about making them, what maybe I don't like about making them, what I've learned along the way. Yeah, I hope you guys find this interesting and maybe you'll feel inspired to make your own polymer clay earrings too. Bye guys.
Okay, to start off, go ahead and choose the color you want your earrings to be. I chose black. I put some baby oil on the mat so that it doesn't stick to it when we take it off, and then I used just any cylindrical item that I had laying around, so the spray bottle, to go ahead and roll it out. Then I have my cookie cutters. I'm going in with this star shape and I'm cutting out the shapes that I want, a big star and a small star. And then when I'm all done with that, I'm just taking a toothpick and I'm poking a hole where I want my jump rings to go. It's super, super important you do this before it goes in the oven, because otherwise you won't be able to get a hole through it. It'll be baked. So then I'm going to go ahead and grab my jump rings. I decided on gold. I thought it would look really good with this black. And I'm going to use 2 for each one so that they're dangly, and I don't know, I just really like it when they're movable. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right through that hole just like that. Beautiful. Perfect. And that's what it looks like when it's on both of them. Look how it dangles. Oh, I love it. Then I'm going to take some Sculpey glaze and I'm going to put it on the front of each of my earrings. This is just going to make it really glossy, really shiny and smooth. I personally really like the glossy look. And then when it's all dried, I'm just going to flip over my earrings and grab some earring backings. I'm going to go with gold to match the gold jump rings I did earlier, and just put like a tiny little bit of Gorilla Glue on the back. All he needs a little bit because this stuff is so strong. And as you can see, that's what it looks like when it's all dried and all ready to go. Perfect, right? So let's go ahead and take a break and print out these earring backing cards. I have them with my logo on them, Tappy Zap. And I'm just going to go ahead and print these off of my computer, just however many I need. I'm going to make sure it's not in landscape and that it's in portrait. And as you can see, they're printing. Love it. Okay, now I'm going to use my paper cutter and cut these out, and then these should be dry by now. So I'm going to go ahead and add some glaze to the back of my earrings so that the whole thing is covered in glaze, the whole thing is shiny. And then I'm going to go ahead and take an earring backing that I'm not using and poke some holes into these. I used cardstock, so it's really thick. I need to put that hole in beforehand. And then I'm just going to grab an earring back and put that through there so it stays and doesn't move. So here are all my earrings all done. Didn't they turn out amazing? Oh, I love them. They're all ready for my September markets. I will be selling them there, and I'm super, super excited. So yeah, that's how I make my polymer clay earrings, guys. Pretty simple. I'm still new to it, so I'm not an expert, but yeah. Bye.